Hi, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Spotify and other web features on the new TX-NR515. But the first thing we need to do is we need to make a decision on when we're going to run wireless or wired. So you'll have to use a UFW1 or an Ethernet cable. And now that it's hooked up to the internet, there's two ways of controlling it. You can either use the supplied remote control, which I'm going to be showing you how to do in a minute, or alternatively you can use a smartphone like an Android powered or an iPhone. But let's start off using the supplied remote control and the front panel to navigate around. As I'm doing this off the front panel, we're going to zoom in, but please don't forget that everything we're doing will be displayed on screen. So what's displayed on the front panel will be mirrored actually on screen. And here we go, we've got the internet services up. As you can notice, we've got Symphony and MP3 tunes here as well, which are two new services that we've actually offered into the new range of the 2012 receivers. And also you'll see down in the bottom right hand corner the blue button, and I'll show you what that is later. But here we go, this is Spotify selected, and then we need to go into the login. Now this is very simple. You use your remote control with the up, down, left and right and enter button to enter your username and password. But please make sure this is the password and username that you set up actually on Spotify. Don't use the Facebook details to log into, otherwise it won't work. There we go, that's the username entered. And then entering the password is done in exactly the same way, but you will actually get stars come up in place to actually cover your password. And now that we're all signed into Spotify, we've now got a different set of options. We can search, look at what's new, we can look at starred tracks as well. And let's go into what's new, it'll connect, and it will actually now list all of the new tracks Spotify have released. Now this is a good way to actually control the network functions on your new AV receiver, but there is another way, and that's using your smartphone. So I'm going to hand the control of this over to the Onkyo app. Now you can either have the Onkyo app for Android or for iPhone. So here I've got my HTC. I'm just going to flick it over and start the Onkyo app. Now I'm being taken to the main page where I'm going to select Net, and then there I'm going to be given all the options for the internet services that we've actually got loaded into the AVR. I'm going to select Spotify, it will load up, and now we've actually got the Spotify features, which is searching, and then I'm going to look at my starred tracks. Now the starred tracks are stuff that I've previously saved and liked. Now it's just a simple case of selecting on the app the particular track you want, and it will automatically start playing. Here you can see on the main display of the front panel the information, and also now the cover artwork has appeared on the app. Also, I can't forget to mention that all the information that's on the front panel and on the Onkyo app is also displayed on screen. Because you're using the app, it isn't so important to actually have the screen on, because all the information is actually given to you there directly in front of you on the app. Now, the blue button in the lower right hand corner called the custom mode allows you to move the icons around the screen into an order of preference. So now we go to the one we want to move, we press the blue button on the handset and you see it highlights orange. You can now move to another icon that you want to swap it with, and then you press the enter button and it will actually switch those two preferences around. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.